This is my 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. I bought it in early 2018. So I've had this car for 8 years, going on to 9 years. I really have no thoughts about selling this car just because it literally still drives like it's new. I wanted to keep this car, yet I wanted something that feels newer. So here on the inside, I mean, I can't believe this is a 2011. So I really wanted to modernize the interior of this car. That giant 24-inch screen certainly does help. And then I've got this digital console to go with it. New digital clock. I love that bright color of red. Such a nice pop of color. Today, I installed this new electronic gear shifter for the Cayenne. Welcome back, everyone. This is my 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. I've already made a few modern upgrades. So I replaced the factory head unit with this massive 24-inch screen. I then went and replaced this console with a digital touchscreen. I then installed that digital clock on the dash. All of these interior upgrades have been supplied by Drimatt. Everything that they've sent me so far has been excellent quality and very happy with all of the products. So I'm going to be replacing the gear shift lever on my Cayenne with something that's much more modern. So check out this beauty. That looks really nice. Feels great, actually. Looks like it's a very high quality piece. And it's going to be illuminated. There's the harness, so it looks like it's just going to be a simple plug and play. And there's another look. Looks great and it feels really nice. Company is Drimatt, so thank you again for sending me this product. The factory shift lever, nothing wrong with it, but it's just looking a little outdated. This is going to take it to another level. Since my shift lever is going to be electronic, I have to remove the console and remove the head unit in order to access the factory harness. So I'm going to have to do some disassembly first. I'm going to remove the factory gear lever. You just need to turn the base 45 degrees counterclockwise. In order to remove this, I just need to remove these two Phillips screws right here. I know this looks like quite a mess, but I kind of figured out how everything seems to go together. So basically, I just pigtailed these two right here. So that's the new harness, and that is the cord that goes directly to the shift lever. And I am getting power. So pretty simple. I know it looks really complicated. I'm gonna put all this mess back. Okay, everything is coming together pretty good. So this right here is the cord that's gonna plug into the shift lever. I'll just do a quick check, make sure everything works. Okay. Got power. It's not shifting, but okay, it wasn't shifting because, as you can see, this metal rod needs to fit into that plastic piece down there. So what I'm going to do is pull this up, push this down. I'm gonna push this back down. Now when I push the button, Yeah, there we go. See? Now it lifts it up. Now I'm going to be able to shift gears. So that's all it was. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this base back down. Okay. Put this cover back on. Okay, now let's give that a try. So now it should shift, which it does. I finished the install and this thing looks so cool. Come check it out. Man, that looks so good. Wow, that looks really nice. Installation was a breeze. Super easy, just basically plug and play. Now for my wife's impression of the new gear shifter. So what do you think?
Honestly, I love it. It's so pretty.
It looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks really good. Can I turn it on?
Yeah, for sure. Turn
it on. Okay. Oh, wow. I love it. I love it. Okay, can I try it?
Yeah, so first of all, when you're in park, it lights up park. That's really nice, huh?
Mm-hmm. I love that.
And shifts just like the factory, so you just gotta push on that button.
Okay, down here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, back to park. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, nice.
Yeah, it lights up, huh? It's a little hard to see because of the angle, but it lights up here. So you're in neutral.
Yeah. I love it. It's really nice. So convenient.
How does it feel?
Feels really nice. Easy to move. Easy to shift.
It's much bigger than the other one, huh?
Yeah, than the old one. Yeah.
It's a little more bulkier, but in a good way, right?
But it's easier to grab.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And this one's all leather and chrome, so
yeah,
it kind of matches everything. It's weird in reverse, yeah.
Now it goes very well together.
Yeah, I love how this lights up park in red, huh?
Yeah, very nice. Really nice touch.
That's actually a good safety feature. Because there's times where I'm in the car, I think I'm in park, but I'm in neutral.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't really notice it because there's nothing here. It only lights up there on the dash.
Right.
So I think that's a good safety feature having it.
Beautiful.
That way you know for sure you're in park. You'll see it right there. Yeah, when you're driving, you don't really see it. You gotta look down, right?
Yeah, but you can easily see the park. And
yes,
neutral.
You can see the...
And reverse.
Yeah, the main one, yeah.
And this is really good for the kids.
Yeah. Got your foot on the brake still?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put it into manual. So it's in manual. And if you want to go to second gear, second gear up, right?
Yeah. Now it's in second.
So that works. Yeah, so it works. I really love how it park
beautiful.
lights
really
up.
Really nice detail.
Yeah, really nice. I think it goes with the console really nice too.
So pretty. It matches.
Yeah.
I honestly love how it grabs on.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Do you like that?
I do.
It's easy, like it fits.
Yeah.
Okay, love it.
Good install, good mod.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. It really goes so nicely with everything else now.
Yeah, for
it
sure.
matches. Okay, turn it off.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. It's just this hand. Where's the cup holder?
It's gone. You said you didn't like it.
Are you recording? Where the hell is the cup holder?
It's gone. You said it was useless, so I got rid of it.
Okay, I'm being serious. Seriously, where is it?
It's gone.
Stop. Where is the cup holder?
It's gone.
Why would you do that?
Because you said your coffee kept spilling over. So
yes, but I was holding on to it. How am I going to drive this to work? Why is this funny? I'm going to drive... Oh. Oh, shit.
Do you know it does that?
No, I did not know.
And I love how it all lights up. Let's go ahead and turn the car on. When you put into reverse, etc., lights up. Man, this thing is pretty awesome. Wow, what an awesome upgrade. I really love it. Man, this feels way better. Not only does it look better and feel better, but you've got this added functionality with the gear indicators here, showing you you're in P, in park. Man, what an awesome upgrade. And this leather feels really nice. Ah, it's perfect. Perfect. Let's go for a drive. Best part, when you put in park, you get that. That is so cool. Love it. So here's a good comparison with the factory compared to the new gear shifter from Drimatt. You can see the new one is much bulkier, but in a good way. A lot more modern, especially with that digital display in the back. And it just fits the interior a lot more. The chrome and the black leather does look really nice. Like I said, I'm going on to 9 years with this Cayenne. I made some modifications to the outside, such as those headlights, to make it look a bit more modern. And the car drives like new. And I really have no reason to sell it. It's been a great car for over 8 years. But part of me wanted something new, or something that felt newer. So I thought, you know what? Let's just make the interior a lot more modern. So as you can see, I've got this giant 24-inch screen. I've got a digital console. I've got a digital clock up there. And now that new gear shifter really just finishes off the whole look of the interior. Everything looks and feels awesome, right down to that suede steering wheel, to that gear shifter, this console. Like everything, I think, looks and feels awesome. And the best part, all of this looks like it's factory. Like, it doesn't look cheap. The fit and finish is excellent on all of these products that I got from Drimatt. I can't say enough good things about this head unit. Such a pleasure to drive this car with this massive 24-inch screen. That digital console was probably one of my favorite interior modifications. Really makes the car look much more modern. Those SIA buttons is gone, which in my opinion was a bit outdated. And now I've got that gear shifter. Yeah, it just looks so good all together. That gear shifter, look at that. So if you are thinking of modernizing the interior of your second generation Cayenne, check out Drimatt. They have some amazing products for your vehicle, and it's completely transformed the interior of my Cayenne. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series of videos I've been doing on the Cayenne and modernizing the interior. I'm still not done. Drimatt has sent me a dash cam That's going to be installed on the mirror and a 360 camera setup. So check out Drimatt. Great products, great service, and great prices too. Everything is reasonably priced. So I want to thank Drimatt again. They've really changed the interior of this car for me. Like, I'm just so impressed. Like, every time I get in this vehicle, to me it feels like it's a brand new car. Like, there's no way this car looks like a 2011. This looks like it's a 2024 Cayenne. Thanks again to Drimatt. Check them out. And thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope to see you on the next one.